What's up, guys? This is Matt Tolbers with Performance Diecast, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review of this 2017 Camaro Zl1 and this 2015 Ford Mustang GT by Maisto. Let's go. Here it is. The Mustang GT, the Camaro Zl1, both by Maisto. This one's got 34 parts. This one's got 38. I'm not gonna really be doing many of these model type cars where you gotta put together in this channel, but I saw these and I figured, you know what, we'll try it out. So we're gonna do it on this attempt. We're gonna do both of them. I'm not gonna show you the whole me put it together because I'm sure there's instructions and that's part of the fun, right? So you don't want to sit here and watch me do it. That'd be boring. But if you have questions, you can comment and I'll see if there's something I can figure out. But skill level 2, which basically means it doesn't really need much. I think it goes up to skill level 5 model car. So see, no paint, no glue. I think all it needs is this little screwdriver. So this should be pretty easy. It's got a few different wheels or whatever. But yeah, it says 8+, so pretty young kids can do it. It's the 124 model, both of them. I'm gonna be doing some, I got a couple more cars on the way, another 124 and then I got a 118 because I wanna go bigger. And the 118 is a more expensive one and it's nicer. So that'll be fun to do here. So, all right, well, let's get this going here and I'll let you guys know what it's like. Instructions. Looks like it shows 6 steps, so this should be pretty easy. Instructions again, 6 steps. This one's got 34 pieces. So, this is metal. Ooh, I like that, Zl1. They're all put together. Got the Mustang. Looks really good. It's shining good. I probably should have wiped it down. It's probably got fingerprints on it from me putting it together. Pop the door open. Let's hop inside. Let's roll out. It is a manual. Yeah, buddy. Not the best quality, for sure. You know. But I got it for 25 bucks, and I think it's cheaper on Amazon. I just saw it and I just bought it just because I just started this channel and just wanted to get a couple cars real quick. Driver's seat. Definitely not the highest quality. It's got the clutch in there. The hood. Pop the hood on it. It's got the 5.0, 435 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque. In a 2015 Camaro. I like it. Rolls pretty good, not bad. I think it looks clean. And here's the Camaro 2017 Zl1, if it'll focus. I like the hood. The hood on this one looks really good. I love the Camaro's front end. It's so nice. I got the black wheels on it. Back of it says Zl1, which is pretty good. Cool that they put that on there. Chevrolet. Let's pop it open. Check this one out. Quality is just about the same. Kind of rough, but you know, for this price, you don't expect too much. I can't wait to get my other ones that are going to be a lot nicer. I've learned from putting this together. I'm not into putting them together. It's just not my thing. So this will probably be the last ones that I put together like this, and it just popped off. And one thing to state about these Camaro wheels is the Mustangs popped on really good when I pushed. These do not pop on very good. It's like, I don't know, see? But like the Mustang one, those went on really well. I don't know why these ones are not. And another negative I'm gonna say about this Camaro right off the bat. Let me find the wheel quick. Back on the Camaro, that's good. He didn't want to do any drifting or he would have been, let's see if it'll pop off. All right, but yeah, I noticed that when I put these on the Camaro that they like pushed on really soft, like there was barely any pressure. So when they designed it, those little blue things that it goes on, they just didn't make them good. I'm gonna stay off right, and these ones are on solid. I don't think these are coming off. Like when I put those on, they squeeze, you had to squeeze pretty hard. So that's really weird they would do that on this Camaro. And I'm gonna, right off the bat, I'm gonna say another reason why I wouldn't get this Camaro, because it's a ZL1, right? What is that? That looks like the regular SS engine to me. The 435 horsepower, 445 horsepower, I think. 6.2, that does not have the supercharger on it, which is sad. So they deceived us, but it does look cool. But since the wheels pop off like that, I mean, especially if it was a kid or something playing with this, I mean, yeah. So I would rate this like a 2.3 out of 5 just because of those issues. But it does look good if you just wanted to sit around and, you know, whatever. But I'm sure they make better Camaro ZL1s. This one can definitely be played with. I mean, I highly recommend this for the price. I think this, and it looks, actually, look at the wheel fell off. Dang, that's sad. Camaro. All right, but yeah, this one looks really nice. It rides nice. The wheels aren't gonna pop off. You pop the hood, and you actually got the 5.0 engine in there. It's got this, what is it, strut brace or whatever. That's awesome. And I think this is rated 435 horsepower, 400 foot-pounds of torque for the 2015 Mustang GT. But yeah, so here she is. I think this one's nice. The only time you really need the screwdriver is got to use it to kind of pop this exhaust in. That without the screwdriver, it's probably hard. And then the seats, there's like a spot in the back where you need something to push down on both of them. But look at that, that's sad. So yeah, well, we got more stuff coming, a lot better ones. We got a 1/18 scale coming, and it's gonna have a lot nicer interior, and no more of these put together ones for me, unfortunately. If you're into that, this probably isn't the channel you wanna watch. But if you just like nice diecast cars, this is definitely a good channel, because I'm gonna have a lot of nice stuff coming here. So yeah, if you guys like this, give it a like, subscribe, and once I get to 100 subscribers, I will be doing some giveaways. So I won't give you this Camaro, don't worry, you don't want the Camaro. I'll give it to some kid around my house. So all right guys, peace.